Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: learning English, verbs and adverbs. Understanding how verbs and adverbs work together is crucial for effective communication in English. So, if you're ready to enhance your language skills, stay tuned. But before we jump into the examples, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future language lessons. Alright, let's get started. So, let's begin by clarifying what verbs and adverbs are. Verbs are action words that tell us what the subject of a sentence is doing. They are the engine that drives the sentence forward. Adverbs, on the other hand, are words that modify or describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide more information about how, when, or where the action is taking place. Now, let's explore some example sentences to see how verbs and adverbs work together. Running quickly. Verb, running. Adverb, quickly. Example sentence, she is running quickly to catch the taxi. In this sentence, the verb is running, and the adverb is quickly, tells us how she is running, in a fast manner. Speaking fluently. Verb, speaking. Adverb, fluently. Example sentence, he is speaking fluently in the foreign language. Here, the verb is speaking, and the adverb is fluently, indicates the manner in which he is speaking, with ease and without hesitation. Eating slowly. Verb, eating. Adverb, slowly. Example sentence, they are eating slowly to savor the delicious meal. In this sentence, the verb is eating, and the adverb is slowly, describes how they are eating, leisurely, enjoying each bite. And there you have it, English learners, a glimpse into the world of verbs and adverbs. Remember, using adverbs effectively can greatly enhance your ability to convey precise information in English. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow English learners. Plus, let me know in the comments which verbs and adverbs you'd like to learn more about in future videos. Thank you for tuning in today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!